First, I want to come and take a look at a chart here that I'm showing inside my terminal. It's a technical chart, but I think the theme really is we've been in this trading range. We're not overbought at these levels, but that key 8,000 level means we could be breaking out of this trading range. Do you see the price increase recently as technically driven?
Yeah, so great question, actually. And I'm obviously not a technical trader, but again, the technical and high-frequency trading is really what drives this market in Bitcoin. And anytime you have an unforeseen circumstance, like the Iran incident that happened a couple of days ago, that adds some new buyers to the market, they weren't expecting that, and that bumps it up. And that little bump, actually, in buying pressure really drives it to be up next thing you know, 20% in 2 days.
So I am shocked to hear that it's moving higher with gold and seen as a safe haven. How is that possible?
Yeah, so every couple years we have these events. I remember about 4 years ago, the Greece incident. Bitcoin became a safe haven for that, actually. So we see that happen a lot. Now, I don't think people actually went and sold their GE stock and all that and bought Bitcoin. But I see what happens is just a little bit of people start buying Bitcoin, and that, with the technical trading, really bumps it up and makes it go a lot higher, a lot faster.
What are some of the fundamentals behind Bitcoin going higher in 2020?
Yeah, so, it's funny. A year ago, I was on the show exactly the same time, and I predicted when Bitcoin was only 3,500 that it would hit close to $15,000, and it actually did, pretty much. And this year, I'm going to make a prediction. I think Bitcoin passes the all-time high and goes past 20,000 this year.
How? Why? What's driving that?
And a lot of people think it's going to be because of the halving, and that happens in May, where the supply of Bitcoin will drop in half. But I think that's already factored in a lot. Bitcoin, again, goes up high when the unforeseen things happen. So last year, the catalyst behind that was Libra happening with Facebook. No one saw that coming, and that really made it go up fast. This year, again, things like China, Russia, or India could legalize Bitcoin. Some new companies competitive to Facebook could get involved. The American government could do something. Something unforeseen that could happen will really move it faster. But fundamentally, we've already seen Fidelity launch their product. Square's hired 5 engineers already in the Bitcoin side, actually. So all these large tech companies are already getting in the space, actually. So I think you'll start seeing those type of products coming to market, too. But it's going to be the unforeseen thing, I think, which happens every year, which will really make it go up fast and far.